Well, staff and students at Wright State University transform an unused patch of land into a natural habitat. It's a prairie project that has taken years to complete.
And Storm Team 2 meteorologist Tara Hastings shows us what's working in the Miami Valley.
This may look like just a bunch of tall grass and weeds, but to insects, it's a new home. And to Wright State University students, it's a classroom.
Underneath a pair of power lines is a product of patience.
Starts by removing the mowed grass lawn that you see, which is what was here previously, and that involves killing it, frankly, with herbicide, and then seeding the prairie, which we did in the spring of 2016.
Which was all done by hand. Graduate student Donnie Peterson has been involved from the beginning.
Involves literally taking handfuls of seeds and just broadcasting it out, trying to get it spread out fairly evenly across.
3 years later, instead of normal grass, there's a 2-acre plot of tall grass and native plants. It's full of bugs, bees, and butterflies.
You may be familiar with the declines in pollinators worldwide, really, and it's because of the loss of habitats like this that provide nectar and pollen for pollinators.
But it also serves as a learning environment for students and researchers. Plots can be compared and insects can be watched.
Rather than just give an arbitrary example in a book, we can actually physically come out here and we can count the number of species we see and get this idea of how biodiverse is this landscape compared to grass.
Professor Cipollini hopes to create more prairies on campus so students can learn and the public can enjoy the natural habitat. Tara Hastings, 2 News, working for you.
Yeah, natural laboratory right on their campus up by the Nutter Center. Thank you for that.